Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best project management for agency workflows by comparing Asana and Monday.com if you're looking for the best project management for agency workflows in 2025. Then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Monday makes it ever so slightly easier to understand tasks at a single glance because of its split-screen task view, available in the My Work view, color coding, and status summaries, with essential details on the left and project updates on the right. Asana's task view is user-friendly, too, but it takes a bit more digging to get the same level of detail. Asana's post-sales handoff template comes preloaded with stages, onboarding, support, churn risk, and built-in automations that trigger as you drag clients from one category to the next. Both apps also make it easy to see everything assigned to you. The My Work view in Monday, for example, lets you organize tasks by priority, date, or status, and update task statuses without jumping between boards. In Asana, there's an equivalent view called My Tasks. One thing that both Asana and Monday both get right is views. It's easy to use either app to jump between, say, Gantt and timeline views to see your project from different angles. But Asana is limited to a smaller, though still robust selection of views: list, board, timeline, Gantt, workload, and calendar. Asana takes this a step further by also allowing you to send direct messages to other collaborators. This has some advantages over relying on third-party tools like Slack. Asana's direct messaging system keeps all project chatter centralized and easily referenced. It also neatly formats internal links to tasks and projects. Monday's collaboration advantage is Monday Workdocs, which lets your team create and edit documents together in real time. You can also use either tool to manage your team's workload. Asana's workload forecast feature shows you who's swamped and who has bandwidth. Asana's reports are great for keeping your project on track, showing you at a glance how many tasks are overdue. For anything more advanced, you can create complex multi-step workflows manually. Or you can use Asana's AI-powered Smart Rules feature, which lets you create automations using plain language. Just type something like, "When design is approved, create review tasks due 3 days later," and it sets everything up for you. Monday offers hundreds of pre-built automations, e.g., every day, if date has passed, then archive item. Both Asana and Monday put their automation features behind a paywall, with similar limits at each tier. You get 250 monthly automations to start, with 25,000 or more if you upgrade. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.